Welcome to Redline Review.
2025 Lamborghini Motorhome. Fans and independent designers have imagined the Lamborghini Motorhome. If Lamborghini builds such a vehicle, this hypothetical review is based on these concepts. The exterior design has aggressive, sharp lines reminiscent of Lamborghini's hallmark style, comparable to the Aventador and Huracan. Developed lightweight carbon fiber bodywork for improved performance and weight reduction. Signature Lamborghini scissors doors open upward for dramatic effect. The motorhome is expected to be sleek and low-slung, with modern LED lighting. Performance. The motorhome may have a high-performance hybrid or electric powertrain, such as Lamborghini's V10 or V12 engine, enabling quick acceleration despite its size. The car may include adjustable suspension for smoother highway and tough terrain trips. Possible four-wheel drive for off-road capability, consistent with Lamborghini's performance-driven approach. Interior splendor. Use premium materials like Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber for a luxurious experience. Large living spaces with removable or expanded rooms for comfort and flexibility. Premium appliances in the kitchen and bathroom give the motorhome a private jet-like ambiance. Lamborghini's innovative infotainment systems integrate digital displays and touchscreen controls for lighting, entertainment, and climate control. The vehicle features AI-powered controls for easy operation, including driving, climate, and entertainment. AR navigation on windshields provides a futuristic driving experience with direct information. Enhanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. Pricing and exclusiveness. Lamborghini motorhomes are often priced in the multi-million-dollar range, targeting wealthy customers. It may only be produced in small quantities, making it a collector's item. One last thought: Lamborghini has not joined the motorhome industry as of 2025, but an inspired motorhome is intriguing. The brand's exotic appearance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious features might reinvent the motorhome category for performance and comfort seekers. An official Lamborghini motorhome is still a fantasy, but if Lamborghini did make one, it would create a sensation.